What happens when the driver knows their rights better than the officer? This YouTuber was pulled over for a simple red light violation, but the situation quickly escalated into an arrest, a search, and a questionable demand for a sobriety test. Was this a case of legitimate suspicion, or did this officer overstep? You decide.
I ran a red light? Is that why I'm being pulled over?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Which light are we talking about?
The one at Lowe's going north of 355. I'm not here to argue. I need driver's license registration, please.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I have a valid license, 100%.
Where are you coming from?
Where am I coming from? I'm coming from Monrovia.
Anything to drink tonight?
Have I had anything to drink tonight? No, sir. I have not had anything to drink tonight.
You sure?
100%, yes.
What's your name?
Totally sober. My name is Levi. It's the same one on that registration card.
Okay.
Yeah, everything on that is the same. I can't believe I don't have my license on. I must have brought it in because I know I usually keep my wallet and things like that in here, but I know I took it out because I made an online purchase recently. So I guess when I took that out, I must have just not brought it back in here. But so I apologize for that. But everything on that registration card is active and current, as you can see. So yeah, I mean you have no, you can run me. It's all good.
He straight up crushed that red light. Like, what?
Question about it.
And has been repeating every single thing I've asked him.
It's like he's stalling to figure out what he's going to say.
I'm going to have you step out and field sobriety real quick. Make sure you're sober. Good to drive.
Well, I'm not going to perform my field sobriety, but I will step out of the vehicle. I don't have a problem with that.
Why would you perform field sobriety?
Why would I? Why would I give you probable cause to take me in? Do you think I'm a DUI?
I already have probable cause to take
What's
you
a
in.
DUI?
What's a DUI?
Well, no, what is your probable cause to think that I'm under the influence of alcohol right
Driving
now?
behavior, speech patterns.
What about my speech patterns?
It's not something I'm going to get into right now. Do you want to perform field sobriety or no?
Well, no, why would I give you that? Because
Okay,
if
then I'm going to take you to jail.
Go right ahead.
Okay, turn by 20 seconds back.
You think that I'm DUI right now? This is insanity. I can't wait till you take me into Frederick County Sheriff's Office and you take me in and then I blow on your...
I got one tonight.
I blow on your... I'm going to blow on your actual test and it will be completely sober, sir.
That's fine. So what's going to happen now is you're going to be read your advice of rights through the MVA, okay?
Thank you.
Do you have anything on your person that cut, stick, or poke me?
No, officer. I have nothing that's going to harm you.
Okay.
Stick you, poke you.
Open your mouth for me. Lift your tongue. Up. Yep. Okay. Any piercings, dip, or anything that I've missed?
I do not have piercings, and if you ask, do I chew tobacco?
Yeah.
No, sir. I do not chew tobacco.
Okay. This could have been real easy, man. If you had anything to drink, it would have been real easy. But you insist on going down this path, so that's fine.
All right. There won't be...
I didn't say get in. Just stand there.
Okay, that's fine. And again, I just want to reiterate for the record, I am stone cold sober. I have not had anything to drink. I have not taken any drugs.
You're not giving me a chance to exercise that. So based on my observations, I'm going to take you in.
Well,
And if you want to blow zeros, that's fine. We're still within our right to tow your car.
I hear what you're saying.
Do this investigation, okay?
I hear what you're saying. This is a shame tonight. This really is.
Okay, I've given you my opinion. You've given me yours.
I understand. I mean, you are
Step in the car.
arresting an individual right now who is not
Sit in the car.
Okay, I'm sitting in the car.
Based on the observations I made,
Okay, I
I
understand.
determine you might be under the influence. There's more than one substance.
Am I-
Just shut up and listen for a second. There's more than one substance to be under the influence from, all right?
I understand.
You're not
the
allowing me to
difference.
do the test to either confirm or deny that you're under the influence of anything, so I have to go based on my observations. So
I
I place you
understand
under arrest for that. Even if you blow zeros, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Your refusal for the test gives me probable cause. Okay?
Listen,
All right, so-
I do hear what you're saying.
So you want to continue to argue it and tell me how smart you are, that's fine.
I'm not arguing with you, sir. I'm
You are.
just letting
You
you know
argue
that
every single thing that I've done.
I'm not arguing with you, sir. I'm just letting you know.
West Main Street, area driving, Hummingbird. Doesn't seem Laura saying that her
Thank you
child's
for providing me this documentation.
My name is Area 11.
Advice of Rights, Maryland Transportation Article 16-205.1. You have been stopped or...
Crow crushes a red light in front of us at Lowe's Lane. Just going northbound. So I light him up. He proceeds for a quarter mile, just refusing to stop. Slows in here, just like darting all around. Walk up, eyes are bloodshot. Hands me 2 registrations. Goes sifts through his credit card, says I don't have my driver's license on me. I'm like, okay, step out of the car and do field sobriety. I'm not performing any tests. 1095. So that's where we are now. He's like, I'm gonna blow straight zeros. Okay. I don't give a So he's sitting here giving me his opinion on how everything should work. No.
If eligible, a temporary license is valid for 45 days. The following periods of suspension shall be imposed against your license or privilege to drive in Maryland. If you refuse to submit to a test, your suspension shall be 270 days for a first offense and 2 years for a second or subsequent offense. If your test result is an alcohol concentration of at least 0.08, but less than 0.15, your suspension shall be 180 days.
We are impounding this vehicle, thus we are going to conduct an inventory search as well. So, two-prong.
So advised, do you now agree to submit to a test?
You want to take a breath test?
Yes, officer, I would. And I just would like to state for the record, I believe my vehicle is still on and running if someone went out. I mean, I don't know, maybe they...
It's getting towed, so the tow driver's going to need the keys.
Well, the keys are in the ignition, so...
That's fine.
Yeah. But I just, like, I don't... It might still be running.
It probably is.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Go now, watch out with your step.
Yes, officer. Thank you.
Are we doing this tonight or tomorrow?
Thinking about it. There we go. Alright, come on, I'll do
For my sake, I hope it's tonight. Stand up.
Yep. I need to take a nice deep breath. You're gonna seal your mouth on the top of this mouthpiece and keep blowing until I tell you to stop. Understand that? Keep going, 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 keep going. Keep going. I can stop. Have a seat. When it's ready, we'll do that again.
Yes, officer.
Come on again.
All right.
Alright, just like last time, whenever you're ready.
Yes, sir.
Keep going, 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 keep going. I can stop. You better call upstairs then.
Yeah. I already know what's going to read. Hey, are you guys able to do a DRE page? Are you guys able to do a DRE page?
A DRE? For the state? I don't know.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, if you could notify them to do a DRE, that'd be awesome. Thank you very much. All right, you're going to copy all this. Right now I need a signature from you acknowledging that you agreed to take a breath test and took one satisfactorily. What we have now is what's called a drug recognition expert on his way to check for any additional substances.
Well, come and take my blood and urine too. That'll be a better resource to be able to run it through it. Is that funny?
Yeah, because all you got to do is take field sobriety tests and said you want to act like this.
I don't want to act like anything, sir. I have to exercise my rights.
And,
you know what I mean?
And now you're forcing this investigation. So, I mean, if you enjoy spending the night in the hospital and doing the evaluations, giving blood, that's on you.
Well, here's the thing. I don't, but at the end of the day, there are certain things that I have to do to make sure that my rights are protected, because when men in uniform, you guys are the state, right? And I'm considered the private. When the state comes down on the private, well, I mean, you know what I'm saying?
I'll need a signature, man.
Okay. I know you. I understand you need a signature. Right here?
Yeah, signature of driver.
So,
as the private.
I would usually like to read all of this before I sign it, but
That's
roughly...
what was read to you and placed in front of you in your lap. You're welcome to give it a read at your leisure.
Was this the audio that was played back in the car, the 7 minute and 42 seconds?
Yep,
I
and
think
placed
it was?
in your lap, yep.
Placed in my lap, okay. This was in my lap the whole time. It was dark, so I couldn't read it.
Yeah.
Okay,
police cars
this is
are
the
that
same
way.
document. Okay, advice of, you have been stopped, you refuse to... No, I'm not... Well, I'm not refusing to submit to a
It
test.
says if you
Okay.
refuse to
If
submit
you
to a
refuse.
test. In a
Okay. I'm
hypothetical
making sure.
situation.
Hypothetical. Okay, listen, I would love to spend more time reading this, but I will sign it. I don't want to.
I mean, you're not obligated to sign it. If you want to read it, read it. I don't care.
This is the title says advice of rights, so I guess it's just notifying me of what my rights are. So.
As a Maryland driver's, yep.
Yeah, okay. Which, that title at the top certainly helps. Would you like this back, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. You're more than welcome. Need your pen. Thank you.
Maybe sign this one quick.
Oh, what is this one right here? Defendant signature,
Yep.
that's me.
Yep,
I'm
that's
in.
you.
Okay, thank you.
We're going to run your DRE test in the other room. Just drop it in your pocket. Okay. Just grab your form. Oh, we're not crammed this tiny little room.
Understandable.
You ever see what you're about, right?
This is my seat right here. Good evening, officer. How are you?
I'm Corporal Leonard Maryland State Police, my ID 6495, here recording my body cam, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
It's my understanding that you've agreed to speak with me today.
I have not agreed to that. I was going to ask what's happening here right now. What are my rights as it relates to what is happening in this room right now?
Well, no trouble whatsoever. I explained that. It's totally fine. I was called a drug recognition expert, someone who's highly trained to be able to tell impairment from things other than alcohol, drugs, controlled substances, medications, things like that. Before I do anything, I do have to review your Miranda rights. But I can, before I go there, if you want, if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask them.
Yeah, so what's your background?
What's my background?
Yeah, your background. You said that you analyze people and you recognize to see whether they're under the influence of drugs specifically?
Yes, sir.
So what's your background that gives you the ability to be able to do something like that?
11 years patrol of the state, and then I took not one but 2 different classes with the state police in charge of DRE, pattern recognition.
Like a college background? Or
It's
not?
my college course now.
Not college course. So you did take some sort of, is it through the state of Maryland?
Yes,
State of Maryland program. Okay. And you got certifications in being able to do the kind of activity that we're doing here in this room right now?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Very cool. Very interesting.
Yeah, it actually is very interesting.
So-
I do have to read you your Miranda rights.
My Miranda rights, yes, sir. Thank you.
Because what we're going to be talking about is going to dip into things that could potentially be incriminating yourself. Do you understand these rights that I've read to you?
Yes, I do.
Do you agree to speak with me?
At this time, I'm going to exercise my Miranda rights and also my Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution, and I'm going to assert that right now.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you very much, officer. Do you have anything else for me right now?
At this moment, no. I mean, if you don't want to do the DRE eval.
Well, I mean, I am going to actually, you read me those rights? Those are my rights, yes?
Yes, of course.
And I'm going to exercise them.
All right, that's fine.
Okay, well, I'm going to invoke my rights.
Yeah, I mean, you already did, so it's
Yes.
kind of all done with it.
Okay, well, I'm letting you know. I don't know if that's when they breathalyze me. Just let you know.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, well, thank you, officer. I appreciate it. All right, I'll keep my phone. Oh, whoops. Thank you.
All right, you're not going to
I understand that. I will follow your orders and comply with your wishes.
have him sit back in the other room.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Or you lead the way, officer.
Yeah, I'd prefer if you.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know where I'm going.
Right here. Right here.
Right here,
Yep.
right back to where I originally was in this
Yes,
nice
sir.
brown wooden chair that looks like it was constructed in about the 1960s or 70s.
It does indeed.
A lot of people have sat in this chair, that's for certain.
Yeah.
You have somebody come pick you up?
Do I have somebody that could pick me up? Yeah, probably. I mean, I don't, you're asking me that here and now. What time is it approximately? Do you know?
Well, getting it right out here is going to be your problem. That's why I'm asking.
Well, yeah. I mean,
I'm saying if they were far, you can start making phone calls.
yeah, exactly. Exactly. I mean, I don't have much of a choice, so I guess the answer to that question would have to be yes.
All right, so I'm issuing tickets for the reason I stopped you. All right?
I understand that,
Get
officer.
you out of here, okay?
All right, are you ready for me?
In the end, the truth came out. After blowing a perfect 0 on the breathalyzer, Levi Trumbull was released. The charges for DUI and the traffic citations were eventually thrown out of court, primarily because the arresting officer failed to show up to testify. Following an internal investigation, it was confirmed that the deputy violated department policies during the stop. Now, Trumbull is seeking $1 million in damages for the ordeal. Do you think the system worked in this case? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more police body cam footages.